Hello everybody, today we'll do this split, and how to do this. I will show you some exercises which help you to do this more. So let's start. First, what we will do, we're working with our legs. So we take it pushes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take our knees more for ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take back leg more for ourselves and starting working of our right leg. So take it up. So 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try to take our leg and start to do it more up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try to take it more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we start working. Take it 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good work. After that, we will try take our leg on ourselves and take in this position and try to take more our body up. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try to stay. So 1, 2, 3. Take it more on ourselves. So 1, 2, 3. Good work. After that, we'll try take this legs one and take the same exercise. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Catch your leg and start to do pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we'll try to take like this and push 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and try to take 1 and take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take the legs together. Take our breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like and subscribe and write me good comments. So bye bye.